What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the question is that, yeah, I'm recording my video with the Sony Xperia phone and then reading you the question. The question is quite simple. Is the agriculture degree worth it? Yeah, this is the question. Is the agriculture degree worth it? I will be telling you definitely yes. The agriculture degree is worth it. Why? Most of the degree are crap. MBAs are crap nowadays. Bachelor degrees are crap. Even some of the good business degree are becoming a crap. Normally all of the arts degree are crap. Do not argue with me. Mechanical degree is become now crap. The only degree which makes sense is agriculture, horticulture, apiculture or aquaculture. Agriculture, people will never stop eating. We need more agriculturists. We need more expert in the agriculture environment. Agriculture is not like something art, which for example you really need to learn about it. I mean, for example, as you can see, this is the soil. Can you see? You need to learn. I'm thinking to start my own fish farm. Yeah, my own fish farm. I should be learning like aquaculture, but I'm learning agriculture on my own. I'm reading a lot of books. I'm learning soil property. When I'm going to dig a pond for my fish farm, I need to understand the soil properties. What is the soil? What is the chemistry? I mean, there's so much to learn. And then after the farm management, I will say, yeah, do the agriculture degree. Do not argue with me. Do the agriculture degree mean do the agriculture degree. There's no argument, okay? There's literally no argument. Do the agriculture degree. I mean, I don't know what you want in life. You don't want to do, it's up to you. Don't do. It's up to you. No one is stopping you. And it was me, Umair. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.